working on taking out this door mirror, and to do that from the inside of the car, we have got this guy right here. Mine is really broken. I'm going to be replacing this piece if I can find one. But basically this was just held in with some plastic clips. You'll come in with like a screwdriver to kind of pull back. The other thing you're going to need to be removing is on this thing, it's got the manual door adjuster. So there is a little clip on here. This is the manual, so if you guys want to pause here, you can see how the manual recommends doing it. So basically there's that knob cap right there, and then when you point that off, it'll get you access to a little screw inside of it, and then from there we'll be able to pull this knob completely off, and then that'll let us completely remove this piece, and then we'll get access at the bolts inside of here. So that's what we're going to be focusing on right now. Alright, just managed to get this thing off without breaking it, just thank God. But you've got these two clips on each side, so basically that's how it should look when you get it off. And now there's a little screwdriver in there that we'll get to. Now I believe this thing is pulled off. Yep. Straight off. Now. Just like that. Here's the part number. There's one tab, there's where the second tab was that broke, so it's currently stuck in there, unfortunately. But now what we have are 3 more Phillips screws. So, and there is our door mirror.